Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to link a button to another page on Wix. Let's get started. First, go to wix.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard, where you will click on Design Site on the top right corner. This will open a new tab leading you to the Wix website editor. In here, click on the button you want to work on. For example, let's click on this Read More button right here. And you want this button to open this blog post. So what you're gonna do is click on this link icon right here, and this pop-up will appear. Click on this field under the which page question, then look for the page you want to link this button to. For our example, it's this My Blog option right here. After that, just click on Done right here, then click on Publish at the top right corner to save your changes. And that is how you can link a button to another page on Wix. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.